Hello my class of students, today we are going to start with chapter number 1, the sentence from your book Oakwood English Grammar. So let's begin. A group of words which conveys a proper meaning is called a sentence. Through a sentence we can make a statement, a question, give a command or express an exclamation. There are several kinds of sentences. In this chapter, we will learn about simple sentences, compound sentences, complex sentences, positive and negative sentences. Simple sentences. Simple sentences consist only of one clause, right? Having a subject and a verb. So, for example, Krishna talks very fast. So, if we are going to see Krishna is the subject and talks is a verb. So, we have single clause and there is one subject and a verb. Now, let's move. We have compound sentence. In compound sentence, we have two clauses which are joined together by a coordinate conjunction like and, or, but and so. Example, Soha is good at maths but she is not very good at geography. So now see, the first clause is Soha is good at maths, but is the conjunction, and then she is not very good at geography. Now let's move to the complex sentences. A sentence which has main clause and a subordinate clause is called a complex sentence. Sometimes the main clause and the subordinate clause join together by when, if, unless, before, after, because, as, that, then, etc. So for example, the polar bear is an animal that lives in the polar region. The polar bear is an animal is a main clause, and that, the word that indicates the conjunction, and then we have lives in the polar region. Sometimes the main clause and the subordinate clause is joined by words relative pronouns like who, which, that or whose. So for example, a dentist is a doctor who looks after people's teeth. So here the conjunction is who. Now let's move forward. These clauses can also be joined by questions words such as how, what, who, which, why, where and when. So for example, do you know who they are? So let's move forward to positive and negative sentence. A positive sentence is a sentence which tells you something is affirmation. For example, Rajesh has eaten all the cookies. Now let's move forward. A negative sentence presents some fact by using a negative word like not. So for example, Mohit is not studying. So you can see we have used the word not. Thank you.